Good afternoon, everyone. Back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a four-star Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku and this four-star Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with these two regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, I've told you earlier, the Golden Girls, won the gold medal, 400 meters relay, athletics. Uh, all right, the four-star Sudoku number 8710. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well. This one has 24 printed digits. Could be a hard one. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. I see a lot of sixes. 5 6s. Let me start with 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left is 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left is 6 should be here. Or there, we have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6 6 6. Okay. Well, cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have 3 and a 9 in the second row, so no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes in. 4 4. Well, 5 5. You 2 here. You 1 here. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this second row for numbers. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Need an 8 here. And I need a 5 here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column 3. Now only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row. Only 3 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last third column, no 1 there. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Can I continue with the 6? Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. No need to place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column 3. Only 3 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the row below, no 6 there. And only place level 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. And now 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 3, 7, 4. Well. How about the 2 in the last column? The 2 in the column next. On that column, there are only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, from that row. Only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, there are only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in that row, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright. Let me continue. Let me continue. 7. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 here. Come on. Need a 4 here. 4 here. 4 and the 8 here. What about the 8s? Need the 8 here. Think. Come on, think. 4 and 8. 3. Need a 3 here or there. 3. 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 6, 9. Need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only place left for the 9 should be here. 9. Need a 9 here or there. 4 and a 9. Well, in this column, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and a 9. We have 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. We have also 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and 9 in that box. 4 and 9 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those. Okay. So we need the 8 here. 7 and a 3. 8 and I need a 5. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left the 5 should be there. So I need an 8 here then. One of these two boxes. And we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left. 8. Could be here. 8, 3, and a 9. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 9, and the... And they need a 9 or so. Let me think. 7, 3, and 8. Need an 8. We need an 8 in this row. Here can we an 8? We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here can we an 8? We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. So the only place left 8 in this row should be there. And the 8 here. 8. Yeah. 3, 7, 5. 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in the last row. 7 in that row. So the row between, the only place left is 7 should be there. 7 or 3, we have a 7 now. So this box should be a 3. One box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The one of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Well. Here also 2 numbers left. 4 and a 9. 1, 2, 3, and an 8. That means we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be a 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 9. 9 in this column. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next. There are only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. 8. Well, will be difficult. Come on. No 5 here. 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places left with 5. Could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left with 8. Could be here, could be there. 8, 7, and 4, okay. 9. No 4 here, no 4 there, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left for the 4 is should be there. And if eliminated here, the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row, 4 or 7. We have a 4 there, so this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let me mark those. Here should be also 7 and 8. Let me mark those. Then 4 in the 4 or an 8. We have a 4 here, so this box should be an 8. 4 or an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so this box should be a 4. 4 or a 9. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So I need a 9 there. Okay. Then 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 7 here. Yeah. 7, 9, and a 5. Ay. 3 and an 8. Need an 8 here. Come on. 9 and 8. We have an 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes. And there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes and there. 9 and a 5 are left in this big square. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 9 or 5, we have a 9 here, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 in this row, last row. 3 in a row above, so that row, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 5 and a 7 in this column. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 7 or 8, we have a 7 here, so this box should be an 8. 7 or 8, we have an 8 now, so this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. And the final box in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Finished. 17 minutes. Wow. Solve it again. 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. And we solve it again. And I like this one here. So we do the thing. So thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.